Okay, so you're going to sort this data. You are going to highlight the entire piece. Then you can let go of your mouse. And then it says choose data, custom sort. Make sure this box is checked for my data is headers. Then you're going to go last name, add, first name, press OK. Now you're going to scroll down and you're going to highlight all of the data again. Let go of your mouse. Choose data, custom sort, then check the box data as headers. Then you're going to do period, then last name, then first name. So custom sort, period, then last name, then first name.